folks, Ezra ONDARA here, speaking from behind the camera today. Now, I must say that what you are looking at, this home here, it must be the best Airbnb home in Kisii. Okay, I am in Kisii town, and let's just go inside and also tour the compound here. You look at the amenities. Imagine an Airbnb home with a playground and camping tents right there. Just imagine that. So I'm going to show you all of that. And also inside, I'm telling you, this must be the coziest Airbnb in the entire of Kisii town. Watu wa Kisii, if you have a different opinion, if you have something else, we would like to see it as well and compare. But as it stands, this is the very best. So there it is, on the entering porch. Just before I go inside, beautiful, plants right there on the entry porch. Okay, now let's go inside. This thing is so neat, this Airbnb hapa, neat, I'm telling you. So I've paused a moment. I was removing my shoes. Here I am. Look at that lounge. Look at this lounge. Look at this lounge. I am in Kisii town. Isn't this beautiful, surely? Look at those wall decors. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. This is just amazing. Okay? And I am in Kisii town. Look at that. A clock, but a decor as well. Wow. Beautiful, And so we have a 6-seater couch right here, plus a dining table on that end. There it is. So the dining area on that end, we have seen that. And then on the far end there, we have an open kitchen. Isn't that beautiful? It's even written up there. Kitchen. There it is. From the look of things, you can see, everything that you expect to be in a furnished apartment or in a furnished home. It is there. Fridge, dispenser, cooker, oven on that end. Yep, and cutlery pale. Kila kitu ambayo unataka, yani una-expect, paka chumvi, sukari nini, all those essentials ziko hapa kote. Wonderful. I love these gloves, for holding the sufuria. Maybe when you're cooking ugali, mambo kama hayo, sindio? It is just wonderful. Let's have a view of that lounge from here. Look at that. Whoa, just so awesome. Beautiful space. Beautiful, beautiful space. Watu wa Kisii, if you have something that we can compare, tafadhali, put it in the comments, and I would want to see it. Okay, put it down in the comments, and I'll want to look at that as well. So going this side, I'm going to the bedrooms. The home is a 3-bedroom, and right here is the shower area. Okay, the bath. There it is. Okay, there's the bath, and then right here is the washroom. Okay, the washroom is right there. Sawa sawa. So that's the corridor ambayo tumekuja nayo. Let's check out bedroom 1. Kind of like my favorite bedroom. Look at that. It is so neat. The decor is top notch. The color matching is top notch. Look at that, jamani. The beige pale and white and a bit of yellow pale. Ooh. This is hotel quality. Laundry table pale. Kila mtu akitoka kwa bedroom yake hapa, ushapiga nguo zako pasi, mnaenda kupatana pale nje. Isn't this place beautiful? Isn't this place just extraordinary? Whoa, look at that. Again, are you paying attention to the wall decors? Exactly. So we are going to conclude by talking about the wall decors and how you can get one for yourself. So many of them. Look at, there's another one there, there's another one there. At least, they upgrade, the aesthetics inside the home, unlike just having plain walls. Sindio, oh, there's another one right there. Look at that. Just wonderful. Okay, so this is a bedroom 2. Okay, there it is. It has a smaller bed than the other one. So the home, like I said, is a 3-bedroom. So ideal for a group, for a family like me and my family today. We are going to spend some time here. But I just arrived in Kisii and I felt, before we do anything, let me show you this crib. The wardrobes on that end as well, you can see. And there's something else I want to show you there. It is that dressing mirror. Okay, what message do they have up there. Work hard, be kind, stay humble. That is the message. Work hard, be kind, stay humble. Isn't that something, to take home? Isn't that food for thought? And then right here, this is now bedroom 3. This is kind of like the primary bedroom, although it is not en suite, but the way it has been set up, this is the primary bedroom. There is another one. We may not have it all together, but together we have it all. Whoa. Okay, there you have, is a king bed for sure. Okay, there you have it. And then on that end, you can see the closets. And wow, and I'm telling you, it smells so nice. I don't know whether it's because of this plant. Is it a live plant? Let me just say, no, it's artificial. But again, for aesthetics purposes, I'm telling you, the guys who set up this place, they have just a touch for interior design. Whoa, impressive, yeah? Exactly. So, one more look inside this bedroom. And then now, yeah, even in this bedroom, there's still the laundry table there. I'm telling you, I mean, by the time you guys meet in the lounge parlor, everybody is set for the day. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back like this. And then we look at there. Love that kitchen. And then we look at the decors right there. Now, let's talk about the decors. All right, let's continue. So I've picked some of the wall decors and I've put them, I mean, for lack of a display space, nimezieka tu hivi chini along the couches there, just standing them anywhere. Now, let's start looking at just some of the samples that are here. But these guys, they sell these wall decors, many of them different styles. So even mirrors, instead of just having a mirror, how about having a mirror with a bit of, decoration around it. So like this mirror here, I see the price is 4,000 shillings, that mirror. Then there's this one here. This is 7,500 shillings, that one. Vile imesimama hapo. Okay, so this one as well is 7,500. Yeah, it is the same thing. And then we have this one here for 4,800 shillings. Look at that, beautiful decor. And then we have another mirror there for 3,000 shillings. I love this one, for those folks especially who are building them gated communities, who are building them homes for sale, mansionettes for sale. When you're doing a mirror for somebody in the bedroom, these are the kind of things that you should be looking at. Sindio, this mirror here is 3,000 shillings. Then there's another mirror here, a round one. So this one is 6,000 shillings. Yep, there it is, 6,000. And then we have another one here, with a bit of a unique design, quite unique, this one here, that one goes for 5,000 Kenya shillings. Even this one is on the market. This thing is 5,000 shillings, that one there. Inakaa ni kama ni maua fulani, lakini anyway, hii si maua real, but the pattern that it has taken, inakaa tu some kind of a maua. Then I love this clock. Look at that clock. That clock is 7,500 shillings. Wacha tu kukua tu na clock tu ambayo, haina mbele wala nyuma. This clock ukiweka kwa nyumba ni clock na bado inafanya nini? Actually nimeiweka upside down, but no worries. No worries. Nimeiweka upside down. Exactly. Now it's proper. So this clock ukiwa nao kwa nyumba si clock tu, ni something mtu anaingia kwa nyumba anakuwa wowed. So let me take them away. Nizirudishe pale, zilikuwa pale ndani, nizipange pale. Lakini ukitaka kuorder, anywhere in the country, utapata mzigo yako. Wameniambia they ship countrywide, anywhere that you want hii mzigo ikukujie. These are wall decor hapa. Well, kitaka anywhere in the country, they ship countrywide. Sawa. All right. Yeah, there is another one in the lounge. Cherish life's simple pleasures. Wonderful. And there are many other messages on the wall here. Which one is this one? Sit long, talk much, laugh often. And there's another one here right by the door. This one says, friends, family, gather here. Exactly, just like I was telling you guys. This place for a family weekend, it is just the perfect home you can be in Kisii town. So folks, at night, our host Dagi will do a good job in lighting up the fire. Exactly, so you guys can enjoy some bonfire out here while relaxing on those garden chairs. It is at night. Yup, and yeah, when you get tired, the tents are there for you to go in and sleep outside. How wonderful will that be? Wewe, hiyo ni meza. Hiyo sio vitu ya kucheza. So that's my daughter, just telling her to be careful of whatever she's doing. Dagi, yeah. Thank you so much. Wacha sasa tukae hapo kando ya moto.
Okay.
So, folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ONDARA. Yesterday is a content creator based in the city of Nakuru. So, today we are in Kisii and I'm in the tent. This is my tent. There's another tent next there. And that's my parents' tent. So, we have a fire there so you can feel more better. And that's only what I can tell you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.